Hey everyone, some of you have watched my video of building a Linux computer out of spare parts. If you have not, I have put that link to that video below. Right now I need to replace the network card on that computer. I had noticed that the network was going fairly slow, and so what I had done was I had hooked another computer up to that same port on my switch with the same patch cable, and that computer worked just fine. Also checked Wireshark, saw that this Linux computer was spitting out just a bunch of bad traffic, not a virus or anything, just kind of flooding the network, so to speak. At that point, I knew that it was time to replace that network card. So what I've done is just got a basic network card, just a single port. It'll handle up to a gig worth of speed. Um, I went with a wired network card rather than a wireless one. I know some people prefer wireless. That's great for convenience, but in this case, I don't need that. Plus, for this computer, I'd like something a little bit more reliable, a little more secure than just your basic wireless network. So this video is going to show the replacement of that network card, or actually the addition of this network card since the old one is built into the motherboard. As you can tell, that was a quick and easy 1 minute install, not a lot to it. I installed that on a PCIe or PCI Express port because it's faster than a PCI port, but also the network card is compatible with it. So I figured that was the best option. All that's left is to put in the CD and install all the drivers and then run a network test and see what happens. Care of. I ran a speed test. I'm getting 133 megabytes per second on the download and 16 on the upload, which is good because I only pay for 100 by 10, so I'm getting above what I'm paying for, which is phenomenal. Anytime you can get above what you're paying for. Well, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you.